Introduce, my name is Muhammad Salman Apandi from 12 A2 grade or want to present a PowerPoint assignment and teach how to make salted egg. Goals. The purpose of salting these eggs not only to remove the fishy taste but also to extend the shelf life of eggs. The main factor in the process of salting eggs is salt, which function as a preservative to prevent spoilage of eggs, thereby increasing their shelf life. Tools: 1 basin, 2 boiling pan, 3 spatula, 4 sandpaper, 5 stove. Materials: 1 2 liters of water, 2 1 kilogram of salt, 3 24 of duck's eggs, 4 brick powder. Steps: 1. First, prepare the tools and materials. 2. Wash and clean 24 eggs of dirt that sticks. 3. Then gently rub the surface of the eggshell with sandpaper so that the pores of the eggshell are open and the salt is easier. 4. Then dissolve 1 kilogram of salt with water in a basin. 5. Then add the finely ground brick powder and mix. 6. Slowly add the eggs to the mixture. 7. Make sure the eggs are covered in a batter. 8. After that, let stand for 12 days. 9. After 12 days, remove the eggs and wash thoroughly. 10. Fill a 2-liter pot of water. 11. Put the eggs into the pan. 12. Boil for 1 hour. 13. After that, leave and drain. 14. Let it cool down. 15. Finally pack the eggs and they are ready to be consumed or sold. Conclusion: making salted eggs above produce a fairly complete nutritional content and is suitable for consumption by all eggs. However, it is not recommended for people with high blood pressure to consume salted eggs because the salt content is very high. Although the nutritional content is complete, salted eggs are not recommended to be consumed in large quantities.